Animal migration and human migration, a comparative exploration. Migration, a fundamental aspect of life, is an instinctive or deliberate movement across regions in search of better living conditions. While animal migration is a natural response to environmental triggers, human migration is often a complex interplay of economic, social, and political factors. Comparing these two phenomena reveals parallels and distinctions in their motivations, patterns, and impacts on ecosystems and societies. 1. Animal migration, a survival mechanism. Animal migration is a seasonal or periodic movement, often essential for survival. Species such as birds, whales, and wildebeests undertake long journeys to access food, escape harsh climates, or breed in suitable habitats. Motivations. Animals migrate primarily due to ecological factors. Scarcity of resources, temperature changes, and breeding requirements are common triggers. For example, Arctic terns travel between polar regions to exploit seasonal abundance in food sources, while caribou migrate across tundras to find grazing lands. Patterns. Migration patterns in animals are often cyclical, following natural rhythms like seasons or life cycles. These journeys are guided by innate instincts, magnetic fields, or learned behaviors within a species. Some migrations, such as the monarch butterfly's multigenerational trek across North America, showcase the intricacy of inherited knowledge. Impact. Animal migrations sustain ecosystems by facilitating nutrient cycling and biodiversity. Migrating species often play critical roles, such as pollination or seed dispersal, that maintain ecological balance. However, habitat loss and climate change disrupt these patterns, threatening ecosystems and species survival. 2. Human migration, a complex phenomenon. Human migration is equally ancient but driven by multifaceted factors, reflecting humanity's adaptability and societal evolution. From prehistoric times to modern global movements, migration has shaped civilizations and cultural landscapes. Motivations. Unlike animals, human migration involves both survival and aspirational goals. Push factors such as wars, natural disasters, and poverty drive people away from their homes, while pull factors like job opportunities, safety, and better living standards attract them to new regions. The Syrian refugee crisis or labor migration to urban centers exemplifies these dynamics. Patterns. Human migration follows no fixed seasonal rhythm but adapts to economic trends, policy changes, and global events. Movements may be temporary, as in the case of seasonal laborers, or permanent, like diasporas formed by political upheavals. Recent trends include climate migration, where rising sea levels and extreme weather force communities to relocate. Impact. Migration enriches societies by blending cultures, boosting economies, and fostering innovation. Yet, it also poses challenges, such as urban overcrowding, cultural integration issues, and political tensions. Regions experiencing mass emigration may face brain drain, losing skilled individuals critical for development. 3. Parallels between animal and human migration. While distinct in complexity, animal and human migrations share commonalities. Adaptive strategies. Both migrate in response to environmental or resource scarcity, showcasing adaptability. Navigational challenges. Whether animals traversing oceans or humans crossing borders, navigation poses risks requiring resilience and innovation. Ecosystem effects. Both migrations can transform ecosystems. Animals enhance biodiversity, while humans alter landscapes, creating cities or agricultural hubs. 4. Key differences in migration. The primary differences lie in agency and scale. Animal migration is instinctive and cyclical, often constrained by biology and environmental factors. Human migration is deliberate, influenced by aspirations, socio-political systems, and technological advancements. Unlike animals, humans can permanently alter destinations through infrastructure development, cultural exchange, and population shifts. 5. Challenges and future outlook. Both types of migration face modern challenges. Animal migration threats. Climate change, deforestation, and urbanization disrupt migration routes, endangering species. Conservation efforts, such as wildlife corridors, aim to mitigate these impacts. Human migration issues, immigration policies, xenophobia, and climate displacement challenge global governance. Collaborative frameworks are essential to address these issues while ensuring equity and stability. In the future, climate change may intertwine animal and human migrations, as both species are forced to adapt to shifting ecosystems and shrinking habitable zones. Conclusion: animal and human migrations are powerful expressions of life's resilience and adaptability. While animals migrate to survive, humans often migrate to thrive. Both forms of movement play integral roles in shaping ecosystems, cultures, and economies. By understanding these migrations and addressing the challenges they face, we can promote coexistence and sustainable development in an increasingly interconnected world.